best method to make a human in Infinity Craft. I'll guide you through each step, so if you're new here or just finding this helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips. All right, let's jump right in. So if you're looking to create a human in Infinity Craft, here's what you'll want to do. First up, grab some fire and place it down. Then you're going to want to add wind on top of it. This should create smoke. Now take some water and put it below, and after that, drag fire on top of the water to create steam. Pretty cool, right? Next, grab some earth and place it on top of the steam, and you'll end up with mud. Now here's a little trick. Drag wind and then place earth on top of that, and this will give you dust. From there, go ahead and put earth on top of the dust, and this will create a planet. All right, so for the next part, you're going to want to bring over the smoke and add water to it. This gives you fog. Now here's where it starts to come together. Drag the fog and place it on top of the planet to create Venus. Then just add a little mud to Venus, and this should give you Adam. Almost there. Now combine Venus with Adam, and that will give you Eve. And finally, add Adam to Eve. And there you have it, a human. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and consider donating with the thanks button below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.